Pretty slick. Doors are your friend. Favorite things about my garage is this chop saw stand. Bike rack is the way to go. I dressed it up real nice with these sliding barn doors. Don't take my tools. Hey guys, my name is Calmus and this is my garage. Organization has never been something that I've been good at. I've always got so many projects going on at once and I'm always doing this and that and things are all just coming out and landing. So that being said, having a system to my garage is extremely important to keeping me sane. One of the things that I like to do is hang as many of my tools up on the wall as I can, especially my power tools that I use all the time so that I have easy access to them, but I also know if one's missing. Don't take my tools. When we first got this house, this garage just had open shelving everywhere, so it always just looked messy no matter how much I tidied it up. So I came in and built these upper shelves and put all these doors on them and got these metal cabinets with all the doors on them so you could just close everything away and forget it's there. Doors are your friend. One of my favorite things about my garage is this chop saw stand. It has room to slide my table saw underneath it and also this big movable bench. This thing is awesome because I can actually spin it out like this, flip up the backside. Now I have this big working space, but I can also pull out my table saw and have an outfeed table right there. And when I'm done with it, I just slide it back under and open up all the space again. Pretty slick. The other thing I love about this big tool chest is how many drawers it has, because you can assign each drawer to a certain type of item. So I know if I need to put a hole in something, all I need to do is come to this drawer and anything that is in that sort of world is in this drawer. I put more slat wall up over here to organize all of my lawn tools, and I also got this bike rack, which I love because all the bikes go in one spot. Before we had this, they were always like scattered just anywhere the kids wanted to drop them, and I was constantly picking them up or tripping over them. Bike rack is the way to go. Another thing I've done to help keep my garage organized is get as much stuff out of it as I can. So what I did is I built a shed, a 13 by 7 foot shed to house a lot more of my long-term storage stuff and my wood storage and things like that. I dressed it up real nice with these sliding barn doors. Hasn't been painted yet, still working on that. But this allows me to get as much of the mess out of the garage as I can and put it back here. Lots of space in here though, for all that stuff that you don't really need inside the garage. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Be sure to check out my brand new TV show, Super Dad, on the Magnolia Network or Discovery Plus. And if you want to find me online, just look up @Dude Dad.